The other one that said it was all good, that's not a next step, right? That they said you're all good. Perfect. Go with your net outcome statement. I will be here when you need, not what you sell, but improved, what is it that you sell again, Lena?
Packaging solutions.
Yeah, I will be here when you need to make sure that your entire supply chain is running tight, running smooth, and you're able to pull as much efficiency out of your packaging and also save that so you can spend that money on other opportunities like advertising and product development. Fair enough, right? Nobody else in packaging is going, wait a minute, is connecting that dot. Every dollar saved in packaging is a dollar that can be put where? In my pocket, R&D, advertising, right? And nobody they're just going, well, I save you money. This is where you guys have to understand this. People will disappoint you. And never underestimate how, for lack of a better word, how dense your prospects are. And this is why I hate it when most salespeople go, well, if you just give me a try, I could save you money. And they get really frustrated when the person goes, I'm all good. We have somebody. Because nobody in the history of the company has ever woke up in the morning going, I wish I could save money. And then believe somebody on the other end of the phone or an email that says I can save you money. But if you call and say, hey, there's a little secret that the top CPG companies, especially in the frozen food space, are kind of sharing with each other that nobody's really talking about it. I just want to make sure you knew about this insider. Well, we're all good on packaging. Hey, makes no difference to me, right? I just want to make sure that you're aware of what was going on. Well, what's going on here? Traditional heat and seal packaging, there's some different ways that you can do the corrugation on that material and actually save the company a considerable amount of money. But here's what nobody's talking about. That's giving these companies, these brands, the extra money to do R&D on new product, to get in front of Whole Foods, to get in front of national grocers, to spend more on the ad campaigns. How are you guys dealing with that, with the fact that, Rouse is not just the only premium frozen label right now, and the world has become exponentially more noisy? How do you say no to that? Well, we're all good on our pack. Perfect. I'm glad you're all good on the packaging. I will be here even if you just need a second opinion on making sure you guys have the same quality or better quality than you have now, but start to get those resources so that A, the product lasts longer, and B, you're able to spend more on R&D and more on product development. Fair enough? You guys got to figure out what's the value in having, this is why I gave you the homework assignment. What's the value in having improved packaging, right? Money for R&D. Product might last longer. I don't know. This is where you got it. That's why I wanted you to do that homework, because once you understand those pieces, it's really easy to do an insight.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.